Okay, question of the day. Circle C has a radius of 10. A chord is 12 units long. How far is the chord from the center of the circle? So here, let's jot down what we know. The radius is equal to 10. There's a chord, which we'll call x, is equal to 12. Now here, let's label some things. Let's make some names for everything. Let's call the middle of this circle O. Let's name this point A, this point B, and let's make a midpoint called M in here. Now this is just given how midpoints work. AM will equal MB. In other words, these are congruent. Now what that also means is AM plus MB, which is also AM, is equal to this 12. And another way of saying this is just 2AM equals 12. So we know that AM is equal to 6. Let's put a box around that and bring it up to the top. Let's draw a line going through O and M. We'll name this OM. And let's have another line going from here to the circle. And this is equal to R, so it's 10. Now we have a right angle triangle. So let's draw this down here to make it a little bit easier to see. We have this which is equal to 10, this which is equal to 6, and this which is equal to OM, which is what we're trying to find. Now, we can use multiple different ways to do this, but I'm going to do it using the Pythagorean theorem. So we know that leg 1 plus leg 2 is equal to hypotenuse 2. Or in other words, to make this a little bit more simpler, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Let's say 6 is equal to a, b is equal to this mysterious OM, and c is equal to 10. So now we have 6 squared plus OM equal to 10 squared. Let's simplify this a little bit. 6 squared is the same thing as 36. OM is still the same thing as OM squared. 10 squared is equal to 100. Now, let's subtract 36 from 100. 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. This is still equal to OM squared. Now, let's take the root of OM squared to get OM. So root of OM squared is equal to the root of 64. Now the root of OM squared is equal to OM because taking the square of something is multiplying it by an exponent, and taking the square root is like dividing it by an exponent. So we have OM to the power of 2 over 2, which cancel out. So we have OM is equal to the root of 64, which when simplified is equal to 8. And that's it, that's our answer, we're done. OM is equal to 8. We are finished. How fun.